Good morning, Miss Foreman's friends. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. And today, for our video message, I want to talk to you about something called the zones of regulation, which I think you have heard many times from our principal, Mrs. Moran, and your other teachers. So the zones of regulation are 4 different phases that describe how you might feel at any time of the day. So let's start with the first one. Let's start with the blue zone. If you are in the blue zone of regulation, you might feel sick or tired or sad. You might even feel bored or hurt. That doesn't sound like a very fun place to be. Let's hope you're not there. What about the next zone, the green zone? This is a really good place to be. If you're in the green zone, you might feel content or proud or good. You might feel okay, but you might also feel ready to learn, which as a teacher, I know that's how I hope you feel. What about the yellow zone? The yellow zone is next, and it's not quite as fun as the green zone. If you're in the yellow zone, you might feel frustrated, you might feel anxious, you might feel scared or overwhelmed, or you might even feel silly. Let's hope that doesn't describe you. What about our last one, the red zone? If you're in the red zone, you might feel mad or angry, you might even be yelling, or you could feel terrified and mean. That definitely does not sound like a fun place to be. So today, I want you to think about each of those 4 zones of regulation, and I want you to think about during our at-home learning over these last several weeks, which zone have you been in the most? We all experience the different zones at different times of day. You might start the day in the blue zone and end the day in the green zone, and you might even have a moment in the yellow zone in between. But which of those 4 zones has most described how you felt during at-home learning? So I want you to use today's daily question to let me know. All right, and with that, I will see you on Friday.